Alright, so to control your monitors, you've got two ways to control your monitors. You can individually change each channel that's going into the monitor, and you can turn the volume of the monitor up or down overall. So first thing we got to do is we've got to find our monitors. So our monitors are down here on buses 1 through 8. So we go ahead and hit this button, and there's our monitors right there. Monitor 1, monitor 2. So monitor 1, like I said on stage, is typically used for the drums and piano. Monitor 2 is what we string across the main stage. Keep in mind that when you're controlling this, if you've daisy-chained multiple monitors together, they are all going to work on the same switch. You cannot control multiple daisy-chained monitors differently. You have to use the one switch to control them all. So keep that in mind as you're adjusting levels from one monitor to the next. So if we're going to control our overall volume of the monitors, we use these sliders right underneath them. If I want to turn monitor 1 up, I turn it up or down. I can also mute them. Now, if we want to change the volume of a specific instrument in a monitor, we're going to go ahead and select that instrument. So if they need more guitar in the second monitor, we're going to go ahead and select this instrument. It's critical that you select the instrument because you can only mess with something on that instrument if it's selected. Then you're going to come up here where it says bus sends. You're going to make sure you're on 1 through 4. Bus sends 1 through 4. And then you can adjust the levels in monitor 1 and monitor 2 by turning the dial back and forth. Of course, more light is more volume, less light, less volume. And again, this is monitors 1 and monitors 2. Make sure you select the channel that you want to adjust. Then bus sends monitor 1, monitor 2. Okay. And so you can see with the lead guitar right now, we're sitting at this level in each of the monitors. But if I say go over here and select our wireless number 4, you can see it's higher in monitor 2 and lower in monitor 1. So you can see how the lights change based on which channels you've selected. So back to lead guitar, you see it changes levels again.